Hey guys, in today's tutorial we will learn how to do this whip transition that you're seeing on the screen. So without any further delay, let's get started. First, I'm assuming you have already imported two clips, and after that you have to add transform effect to the first clip. After you have added the transform effect, we will cut at the end of the first clip at the 10th frame. We are cutting it because when we are applying the effects, it should not affect the whole clip. Instead, it should happen at the end of the clip, which will look very smoother. So using the razor tool, we will cut at this position, as you can see. And after we have cut it, we will add the video grid effect. Once you select this clip and press right click, you can see the option to see the duration of this clip. Search video grid effect and add to the clip. And increase the rows and columns in the video grid effect by 2. After that, you have to increase the scale in such a way that it should fit the whole screen. For me, a value around 300 works well. For you, it can differ. So change accordingly. Now we will add a keyframe at the end of the clip. After we have added the keyframe, we have to change the X position in such a way that the clip is moved towards the left. I will increase the value quite a lot so that we can actually see this whip transition effect happening properly. Now to make the transition much smoother, we will change the keyframe interpolation to cubic in. After that, we will add a blur effect to make it much smoother and show a sense of direction. Let's add a keyframe to the blur effect. And in the first keyframe, we need to change the angle to 0 and keep the radius at 5. Also, to make it smoother, we will change the keyframe interpolation to cubic in. Now in the last keyframe, we will change the radius value and angle values as well. We will set the angle to 0 and radius value we will increase it to somewhere around 45. For me 45 works well, so I will keep it at 45. So this is how the final results look like. If this video really helped you, then please don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can keep bringing amazing content like this.